That's on the Red Alliance, 69-29, Data Force. Working right next to them, that's 84-41, Total Reboot. Starting off our Red Alliance, it's 542, WHS Robotics. Working side by side with 78-32, Gear Gurus. We good? With a confirmation from our table and our scorekeeper, we are ready to get autonomous underway in 3, 2, 1, go. There we go, we got action from, looks like 3 of our robots. Data Force making it out and about down their ramp, working on getting possession of the mid-height red goal. They're going up to try and score. Let's see if Data Force scores it as the blue kickstand is released. Total Reboot lifting up, going to try and score in their parking area. That's a 78-32 Gear Gurus over in their blue parking area with possession of the mid-height blue goal. That concludes the autonomous. Referees are going to step in and take score. And with comp from our half red and blue alliance, you guys can pick up those controllers. And with that, we're ready to get our teleop underway, beginning in 3, 2, 1, go. Teleop driver controlled robots taking off. 84-41 Total Reboot going after that red kickstand. Let's see if they can get possession of it. Knocking it down to get more of those balls in play. 542 WHS Robotics with possession of some of those balls. Going to work on acquiring the mid-height blue goal, getting their ramp down so they can fully contain it as their alliance partner. 87-32 Gear Gurus. Collect some of those balls for them to score with. Gear Gurus with possession of the balls using that diamond drive, giving themselves the ability to move 4-dimensionally without those Mechanim wheels or a crab drive. 84-41 Total Reboot working on moving. Data Force not moving right in front of them, having some technical difficulties. But on the blue alliance, we have 87-32 Gear Gurus working on scoring on the high blue, as we have some defense played by Total Reboot. Defense working well by Total Reboot, only one of those balls making it into the high blue goal, as 542 gets caught up. 84-41 Total Reboot getting caught up on the center structure. Got to make sure they can see where all the parts of their robot are and what they're in possession of. 87-32 Gear Gurus working on getting some more of those balls to score in their high goal. Doing it this time without any defense played by Total Reboot, making all 3 that they had collected smoothly in. WHS Robotics with possession of the low blue goal. Let's see if they can get that to a position where they'll be scoring with it or fill some balls into it. Gear Guru is going to collect more. We are in endgame, giving teams the ability to score in those high goals. Looks like Total Reboot's going to go after the high red. Lifting up, making sure they have the height. Looks like we're having some both teams going for blue. There we go, that's 3 filled, but to the blue side of the high goal by Geared Guru. Smooth point for them. And that concludes qualification match 65. Let's give all those teams a round of applause. All right, ladies and gentlemen, looking here to Goldfield 2 for qualification match 66. On the Red Alliance, we have 5880, the Mad Roboticists, working side by side with 5151 Infinity. On the Blue Alliance, it's 4604, the Force, working with their alliance partner 3825 Snowbots. After all the guff the head ref gives me, he's not even here for me to start the match, so I'll laugh at him for a second. You sure? You good? Okay, with that, we're ready to get autonomous underway. Beginning in 3, 2, 1, go! There we go. We got all 4 robots with action. 38-25. Snowbots going for the high blue goal. As 51-51 Infinity scores on the mid-height red goal, moving it and looking to go back for their high red. 42-04, the Force aiming for the mid-height, not quite making it. Strategically still moving. Snowbot still moving, trying to get that blue kickstand, catching themselves up on the base. That's 2 and 1, creating all of autonomous. Referees are going to step in and take score. And with that, blue, red alliance, you guys can pick up those controllers. We are ready to get that teleop underway, beginning in 3, 2, 1, go. There you go, that's action from all 4 robots under driver control. Snowbots taking out that red kickstand as their alliance partner, Infinity, takes possession of the red goal. Infinity working on collecting some of those balls as the Force takes out the blue kickstand. All balls in play. Let's see if they can get those balls collected to be scored with. 58-80, the Mad Roboticists working in their red parking area to try and acquire some of those balls. Getting some of them caught up underneath their chains of their drive system, making it the maneuvering abilities difficult. That's 51-51, quickly filling 4 balls smoothly into the mid-height red goal. 42-04 over by the blue ramp, working on collecting some of those balls in their play, as 38-25 works on definitely raveling balls to the top with their different moving game system to get those balls up into their scoreable potential. The Infinity there by the red ramp, working on collecting, catching the red ramp up and moving it itself. 38-25 with possession of some balls to score on the high blue goal that they have possession of, as Infinity scores more into that mid-height red. Mid-height red is 2 points per centimeter of balls there. Let's see how they score it there. 46-04. The Force working on collecting balls near the blue ramp, as it looks like Snowbots there scores in the high blue. Smoothly and working to fill that up. Infinity behind. $38-25 Snowbots working on filling up the blue toggle in their end, as 46-04 the Force works to score on their mid-height blue goal. 15 seconds left. Infinity's going to go for those upper red points. Let's see if they can get them. That's 1. That's the balls they had in their possession, but that's up to score. As 58-80, Mad Roboticist goes up their red ramp. 51 working on getting in their parking area, as Snowbot scoring in the last seconds. Let's give all the competitors of qualification match 66 a huge round of applause. All right, ladies and gentlemen, looking here to Goldfield 1 for qualification match 67. On the Red Alliance, we have 48-55, the Batteries in Black. Working side by side with 87-16, Techaholics. On the Blue Alliance, we have 86-60, the Charging Champions. Working with 65-59, Geared Reaction. With that, we're ready to get the autonomous underway, beginning in 3, 2, 1, go. That's action from 3 of our robots, looking good. 48-55, Batteries in Black going for that high red goal. Seeing if they can make it. That's 1 in, just as they pull that guy back. But 87-16, the Techaholics trying to score in that mid-red goal, not making it, but going back for the tall red. As 65-59 goes after the tall blue. Oh, rim shotting it, not quite getting it in, but making it close. And with confirmation from the referee, red and blue alliance, you guys can pick up those controllers. And with that, we are ready to begin the teleop, beginning in 3, 2, 1, go. 48-55, taking out that red kickstand. Batteries in black, putting the balls into play for the teams to start harvesting. Let's see who takes advantage of that. Techaholics with possession of the high red goal. Going to move around and see if they can start collecting balls to score with it. 65-59 with possession of the mid-height blue. Moving that way. 86-60, going to try and use that scoop system to fully lift the tall blue as Techaholics work to score. That's Batteries in black scoring in the high red. Techaholics shooting balls up into their top grip. Batteries in black also knocking down that blue kickstand, getting balls into possession as their alliance partner works there. 86-60 having some technical difficulties, but their alliance partner 65-59 driving around with the mid-height blue goal. Batteries in black with possession of the high red, getting a lot of balls into there, those 3 points per centimeter into that tall red goal. Let's see how well they can get that guy filled up. 87-16 working on scoring in the mid-height red as their alliance partner Battery in black goes back for the tall red. Geared reaction with possession of the red logo, bumping into it as they're trying to get over to collect those balls in the blue parking area. Batteries in black getting these balls right down here at the bottom of the red ramp as their alliance partner Techaholics works on collecting more to get in the high area. Geared reaction losing possession of their blue flag, but they're still there to take possession of the mid-height blue goal. See if they can score with it. We've now entered endgame. Endgame gives the teams the ability to score for those high points. Let's see if anyone has the ability to go for it. Looks like Batteries in black are going to go after it on the red alliance. See if they can line it up and score. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 fully filling that top red by Batteries in black. 87-16 getting caught up at the bottom. Techaholics trying to get that thing filled with just 3 seconds left. 2 and 1. That concludes qualification match 67. Let's give all those teams a round of applause.